Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is KASSIM from Group 2. We'll be talking about toilet door lock restoration Mahallah Zubair as a community service project for Genes 4300 or 4301. The team consists of 5 members: project leader and manager Muhammad ABDULRAHMAN MOHSEN, myself as assistant project manager KASSIM KHAMIS, secretary Muhammad IZZAT NAJMI, treasurer TASHFIN MUQTASID, and our technical lead ZIAD YASSER. Recently, it started having problems, so numerous toilets and shower stalls within the dormitory have had broken or unusable door locks. This issue compromises the privacy and security of students, reduces the number of accessible stalls, and causes significant inconvenience. Our project aims to address these pressing concerns and restore dignity, privacy, and functionality of the toilet facilities in Mahallah Zubair. What are our project goals and our objective? Our project goals and objective is first to install and replace unusable door locks for toilets and shower doors in each block of Mahallah Zubair, enhance restroom accessibility by making all stalls usable, thereby reducing waiting times and ensuring proper privacy for all residents, and thirdly, improve security and safety practices for residents using.
Now for the timeline of our project. Before we do the installation, we did some survey to the Mahallah Zubair and highlight the door with the broken keys in each floor and calculate the total number of the broken doors. For the second steps, we prepared the tools that we need for installation, such as the latch and screw, the reticle drill to make a hole. Then we divide the works among the member with the designated blocks. For the last steps, is to installation of the key door to each toilets.
So here you can see the result of the survey we did on the toilet doors. So it shows how many doors there are without the locks in each block. And at the bottom, you can also see how the work has been divided among each of the members of the group. So we ordered high quality metallic latches from Shopee, whose cost was about 1.5 ringgits each. So in total, it took us about 120 ringgits, and we self-funded it ourselves. And we also used a manual and electric screwdrivers for the process of installing the locks. And we already had these materials with us, so we did not have to buy them. Here you can see us working on the latches. We did the work on weekends since we were quite busy during the weekdays, and it took us about 3 weeks to finish. And since we only had one electric screwdriver, it slowed us down a bit because the electric screwdriver was very necessary to drill the holes into the wooden frames, and it was not possible with the manual screwdrivers. And since we only had one of them, one of the electric screwdrivers, we had to pass it around, and it slowed us down a bit. Here you can see some pictures of the locks installed. So in the first one, you see there was no locks. We installed our latch. In the second one, you see there was a lock at the bottom, but the latch for it was broken, so we installed our lock there as well. And in the third one, it's the same case. There is the previous lock, but it does not have the latch to lock it in, so we installed our new latch.
The first result is improving the functionality and security of toilet facilities within Mahallah Zubair, and enhancing also the privacy and convenience of residents in the toilets. There is also the positive impact of overall living experience with the Mahalla. And of course, we had some inconveniences during our project. We were unable to restore door locks due to broken doors. The whole door was broken, so we cannot put just a lock on a broken door. And for our next part, we are going to interview.
I would like to ask about how do you feel after we did install the new locks for our toilets?
How I feel about the new locks in the toilets is that they are very useful. I can go to any toilet stalls that I want in any time of the day without having to rush with other people. So it saves up my time and it's very, very good and efficient.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Muhammad IZZAT NAJMI. In conclusion, the restoration of toilet door locks in Mahallah Zubair, alhamdulillah, have been accomplished successfully, fulfilling the project objectives and enhance the living experience for residents. Alhamdulillah, after we managed to complete this project, the residents have a lot more option than compared to before, which they can use the stalls, both shower and toilets, with a new locks. Okay. Therefore, they feel more secure to use it compared without locks, because in the private area doing private things. However, there are some cases which we are unable to install locks as the door are faulty or broken. As in the picture before, the door is not attached to the stalls. Nevertheless, we are confident that with this improved functionality and security, the toilet facilities, it will have a lasting positive impact for the resident upcoming and continuing inshallah. So thank you and assalamu alaikum.